approach to land. Forward visibility in a Spitfire is just about nothing. The pilot has to look over the top of this long engine cowling. It's kind of like driving your car with the bonnet open. So a curved approach is made, enabling the pilot to keep the runway in sight for as long as possible before kicking straight at the last moment.
And the pilot there was Peter Teichmann, founder of the Hangar 11 collection. And we've been talking today about firsts, aircraft that we've seen for the first time in a Cosford show. Well, that was a last, because that's the last time Peter Teichmann will be displaying here at Cosford. He has announced that he's going to retire from air show flying at the end of this season. Thank you so much, Peter, for all the displays that you've put on for us at Cosford over the years. Back to the international display world and the furthest travel visitor for this year's Cosford Air Show.